Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails. We need to stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, oh my goodness, we have a comparing video. If you know my channel, I don't really make comparing videos because I think everything is not really, I don't know, I just don't do comparing videos. But I wanted to do this video where Blue Cross Cuticle Remover and Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover go head to head. Which one's the best? Which one are they just the same? Which one do I prefer? I don't know. We're gonna all know. Video. Let's get started.
First up is Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, and I have a 6 fluid ounce bottle which ranges about $5, and I put it in a top coat bottle that I cleaned out just for easy applying, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my nail. You can just apply 1 to 3 drops of it and wait 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to wait until the cuticle liquid is dry, just because it's just not gonna work. So you don't want to wait till it dries, but you just want to let it soften your cuticle. Now, Blue Cross Cuticle Remover is a liquid base cuticle remover, so it's not stiff or gel-like at all. So that would seem like you would use more of it just because it's liquid and it kind of runs everywhere, but you don't really even notice because you get 6 fluid ounces for just paying around $5. I've had the same Blue Cross Cuticle Remover forever because you just don't use it all up because they give you plenty of it. So the fact that it's liquid doesn't really mean that you use more of it up because you get a lot. Now, I know that I refer to it as cuticle remover and a lot of people say cuticle remover, but actually we're just removing our dead skin. We are not removing the cuticle. If you want to know more about where the cuticle is and everything like that, I'll link a video down in the description box down below. This Blue Cross Cuticle Remover did a great job in removing the dead skin off my nail plate and helping me push back my cuticles. And you don't use that much of it. I know it's a liquid, but you don't really use that much of it. I've had my bottle of Blue Cross Cuticle Remover forever. I mean, you don't use that much just because it's a liquid.
Helpful fact of the day, which is wash your hands. Well, of course you wash your hands, that's not what I mean. What I mean is, after you use any kind of cuticle remover of any kind, this is just good practice, this is what I do, wash your hands. Because you don't really want that on your skin and your nails. You don't really, I mean, it's not like you're sitting here and you put it all over you, you just put it on your nail and your cuticle. But I usually clean my nail with vinegar after I use this kind of stuff because, you know, I just don't really want it on my nails and you probably don't want it on your nails. So clean your nails. Either you can just wash your hands like this with just some warm water or some soap if you feel like it. But usually I just clean the nail bed with some vinegar and I clean the cuticle remover off my nails and my cuticles and my nails. Because, I mean, why would you want that just looming around there, you know? So yeah, helpful fact of the day, wash your nails in your nail plate after you use cuticle remover.
Now for the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover, you get about 1.0 fluid ounces for around $5, and this is a gel cuticle remover, and I gotta say, once you put it on your nails, it works very quickly. It was about 15 seconds and I was already ready to start removing the dead skin and pushing back my cuticles, and I gotta say, it worked so good. It is definitely faster than the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. You get less of this cuticle remover. You only get 1.0 fluid ounces, but it is a gel, so it's thicker, so you don't use as much, but you do get less for around the same price as the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. This Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover did a wonderful job removing my dead skin and helping me push back my cuticles. So final thoughts on these cuticle removers. Obviously, both of them work really good. You can't really go wrong purchasing either one. The Blue Cross Cuticle Remover, you do get more of it, but the Sally Hansen one is definitely faster, and I feel like it just works just a hair better than the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. Now, which one would I prefer? I gotta say, I think the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover is probably the one that I'm gonna go with. I don't think I will be buying the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover again, just because if you look on the back of the bottle and if you look at the ingredients, the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover has a lot of ingredients that I don't even know what are, but I do know that the parabens that are in the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover are not good for you and they're very cancer causing. Because my dad is a doctor, he told me that, so that is why I probably won't be purchasing the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover again, just because it has so many chemicals in it. So yeah, I'm gonna stay tried and true to the Blue Cross Cuticle Remover. But yeah, which one do you prefer? Have you used which one of these? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section down below. So those are my thoughts and opinions on these two cuticle removers. I just wish that the Sally Hansen one didn't have so many chemicals in it.
Time now for the GTKM. While watching my channel, I've been really digging wearing some ponytail hairstyles. Yup. up, which means I'm just putting my hair in a high ponytail. So I really enjoy doing a high ponytail length. This time I just put it in a high ponytail and then I kind of just twisted it. And then I tied it like with a ponytail at the bottom. So yeah, high ponytails. Really into it right now.